Hi everyone, my name is Tom Soroka and I will show you today how to use computer vision algorithms for detecting objects. In the first example, I will show you how to detect safety helmet if it is on head or not. In a second example, we will do some more advanced operations and we will count coins which are observed by camera. So enjoy watching, and if you have any questions, if you wish to get more information, if you need such technologies in your project, just contact me and let's talk. Thank you very much and enjoy! In this movie you can see how object detection works in Flowy. In this case is safety helmet, so you can see when it is detected, when it's on head and when it's not detected, and how it works. So you can see that it is very fast and the detection is very accurate. Here you can see how object detection can be used for counting coins. So as we can see here, in the beginning we had 5 coins and now we remove some of them from the table, and on the top right we can see the current amount of coins. It works in the same way when we add coins. So you can see we go from 1 to 2, then to 4 coins, and at the end we have 5 coins.